In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. This is a useful technique for keeping track of completed tasks in a to-do list or managing progress in a variety of projects. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Sheets document. This is where all the magic begins. If you don't have a specific sheet in mind, you may start with a new one or open an existing sheet where you want to apply this formatting. Once your sheet is open, you'll need to identify the range of cells you want to work with. In our example, we'll focus on cells A2 to A5. Simply click and drag your mouse to highlight these cells. Next, let's dive into the formatting options. Head over to the Format tab in the menu at the top of your screen. This tab contains various options that allow you to alter the appearance of your text and cells. Click on Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. This opens up a sidebar on the right where we can create rules that format your cells based on specific conditions. In the sidebar, you'll see an option for Format Rules. Here, choose Custom Formula Is from the drop-down menu. This allows us to use a formula to specify our condition for applying the formatting. Enter the formula HTB2 true in the provided text box. This particular formula checks for the value in column B of your row. When the checkbox in cell B2 is checked, it equates to true, and our formula will then apply the defined formatting. Now, let's move on to the aesthetics. Click on the Fill Color option to choose a background color for the cell when the checkbox is checked. For our tutorial, select the color cyan to give it a standout look. Next, click on Font Color and choose black. This creates a clear contrast and makes the text easy to read. Finally, to add the strike-through effect, click on the Strike-through option. This puts a line through your text, visually indicating that the task has been completed. Once all these settings are in place, click Done to save your conditional formatting rule. You've now successfully set up your Google Sheet to automatically strike through the text when the checkbox in the associated B column is checked. To see your rule in action, go ahead and check the checkboxes in cells B2, B3, B4, and B5. You'll notice the text in the respective rows is instantly formatted with the cyan background, black font, and a strike-through line. With these steps, you can efficiently manage lists and track progress in any project using Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks on streamlining your workflow with Google Tools.